Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make homemade flour tortillas. In a large mixing bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, or you can use whole wheat flour as well. Then I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I just stir with a fork to combine. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Then add in 3/4 cup of warm water and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then stir to combine until a dough forms. Now on a floured surface, you're going to knead the dough for about 5 minutes. If you are using whole wheat flour, knead the dough for 15 minutes. Once the dough is smooth and elastic, roll it into a ball and place back in the same bowl and cover with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for 30 minutes or up to 2 hours. Once the dough is done resting, place on a lightly floured surface and divide the dough into 8 pieces. Now still on a floured surface, you're going to roll each piece of dough into a ball. And using a roller, you're going to roll out the dough into a circle shape. Now they don't have to be perfectly rolled out into a circle shape. It's your kitchen. You can roll them out into any shape. They don't need to look perfect. What matters is how they taste. So I wouldn't worry too much on how they are looking while you're rolling them out. Once you're done rolling them out, just place them on a clean kitchen towel. You're going to heat a non-stick skillet or griddle on medium-high heat. Place a tortilla on the skillet and cook for 30 to 45 seconds or until bubbles start to form. Then flip it over and cook for another 30 to 45 seconds. Once the tortilla is done, transfer it to a plate and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed these homemade tortillas. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you guys for next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! If you guys would like to see some more recipes, I'll have one right here and one right below. And please click below to subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Bye!